If you've been watching my videos, you know I'm a big fan of mini twists, but my hair will not follow. My hair does not like mini twists. I stopped doing mini twists for a while, but recently I decided to try a regimen from Green Beauty and it ended in tears. My hair is so tangled right now. I hope I am able to take this out now with minimum breakage. My hair is definitely going to break. I hope I'm able to reduce the breakage to minimum. I have this recipe I follow when I know my hair is not in the right mood. I follow it and I'm going to do that now. When my hair is really tangled, when I really need to remove a lot of tangles from my hair, I use oils. I know a lot of people run for conditioners, heavy deep conditioners and all that, but I don't. My hair is in its weakest state. Our hair is in its weakest state when wet. I avoid making my hair to be weaker and I work with oils. Oils give me the right amount of flexibility to open up all those tangles nicely. I already went ahead to warm oils that are in this cup, this metallic cup. There we have it. It's a mix of palm kernel oil and macadamia oil. I'm just going to apply it to my head and let it sit for a while. I'm sweating in the middle of the night. Can you imagine? Sweating. I like rubbing. I rub my hair a lot when I want to take it out because I've noticed that it reduces the tangles, makes it easier. I was so tired after applying the oils to my hair. I tried to sleep with the plastic bag on, but no way. About an hour later, I started taking out the twists. I think I put too much oil in my hair. I have talked about this in one of my videos, one of my first videos. You hear me talk about one of my first videos as if I've been here for so long. I can't believe tomorrow makes it 1 year I've been on YouTube. It seems like I'm not moving, but the growth is there. So, if I am not mistaken, it must be in one of my first four videos. In that video, I did mini braids twice. The first time I took them out with water and the second time with oil, if I'm not mistaken. It was so serious. I wouldn't even watch the videos now. Can you see that? Can you see how smooth that is going? Can you see that? I told you. I told you oils are better. I told you so. I was so worried about this back part. I was so worried about it. This is just the first twist. I don't want to be too excited, but I hope it goes on like that. This is another side by side look at the difference between taking out braids with oil versus taking out braids with water. It is true that in the case of water, I took the twist out after 2 weeks. But in the case of oil, I left the twist in the back in for just about 10 days. The front was there for more than 2 weeks though. This video is just a confirmation of what I have been saying for the past year. For more than a year even, because I started taking out my braids with twists a long time ago. It is confirmed for sure water is not my friend in such a case. Look at how difficult it is for me to get my hair to listen when it has water in it. Look at how stressful it is. Remember those twists that were tied up together? I think we found them. I think we found them here. I think we found them and it should not be a problem to open them up. It took me a while, let's say about 5 minutes, to be able to take out these twists nicely without too much breakage, but I did achieve it and it was easier than with water for sure. Every time I feel like anything is too tight, it does not want to open up, I just rub it for a while. I rub it. Tell me in the comment section, would you try this method? Would you use oils in the place of water based products? And if the answer is yes, when you do try it, please let us know how it worked for you. I was too tired to finish up the twist that night, so I went to bed and I completed the takedown the next morning. This is all the hair I lost while taking out the twist. I lost more while washing and detangling. I did it at work, so I don't have it here to show you. This is my hair after I washed, detangled, and blow dried. I miss my hair so much. I have videos on how I wash and detangle my hair. Feel free to check them out. That is all I have for you today. Things are definitely going to change soon. Take care. Bye.